How much money YouTubers make from 1000 views? This is one of the most searched terms on YouTube. However, it doesn't make any sense because there are 5 main things that drastically change how much you can make from your YouTube channel with 1000 views. And I guarantee you that 90% of content creators have no idea about 2 of them. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Starting with the most obvious thing that can change how much money you can make from YouTube is your niche. Let's compare 2 different videos. First one is a Minecraft video and the second one is, let's say, YouTube education. As you can guess, the target audience for each video is completely different. Of course, there will be some exceptions, but the main audience for the first video is mostly kids and teenagers who live with their parents, doesn't have financial freedom, and naturally not a lot of buying power. And we will call this audience Tier D customer. However, the main audience for the second video, which is you, my friend, most likely over 18, have financial freedom, enough money to purchase equipment, etc. to start creating content on YouTube. And we will call this audience Tier B customer. You see, advertisers are willing to pay more money to YouTube to show their ads to higher tier customers because they have more buying power, higher chance to purchase a product or sign up for a paid service. And since advertisers pay YouTube more, this will automatically increase how much money you are earning from AdSense, aka YouTube monetization. Someone who does have interest on growing a YouTube channel might be interested on a lot of different online paid services such as copyright-free music or B-roll footage and various technology products such as your camera, microphone, etc. That is one of the main reasons why each niche on YouTube do generate wide variety of incomes per 1000 views. And let me know if you want me to show exactly how much money I made from my small gaming channel on YouTube in the past year. But even if you are in one of the highest paid niches on YouTube, there is still a catch. Unfortunately, not everybody in the world has the same buying power, even though they have similar interests, which brings us factor number 2, location of your audience. To explain it better, let's take a quick look at one of the videos from my gaming channel. My total AdSense/YouTube revenue for this video is $550. But if we take a deeper look at the analytics, you can see in the last 28 days, this video made me $0.6 with 350 views from Turkey. However, for the same amount of views from Australia, made me $11. This is almost 20 times more. So having a specific type of audience does not mean anything by itself. If you want to make more money on YouTube, you have to make videos for the audience that lives in the highest paid countries around the world where people can actually spend money for their interests. If I make a video about best budget DSLR cameras for new YouTubers, but I do it in English, I will earn a lot more money compared to me doing the same exact video with same exact quality, same exact editing, but in Turkish. Because simply it is not as easy for someone who live in Turkey to make that purchase compared to someone from USA or Canada. I know it because I live in Turkey. And advertisers do pay YouTube based on these factors, which massively affects the revenue of your YouTube channel. My advice is, if you can, make videos in English to reach a wider audience, also increase your income from AdSense. Factor number 3 is the video length. Even if you and I make the exact same video on the exact same topic for the same audience, my video is 6 minutes, yours is, let's say, 9 minutes, you will simply make more money. Because there is one specific ad type which can only be shown in videos that are longer than 8 minutes, which is mid-roll ads. If you make a video that is shorter than 8 minutes, YouTube will only play ads at the start of the video and at the end of it. However, even if it is 8 minutes and 1 second, then YouTube will show ads in the middle of your video as well, which will naturally increase your AdSense revenue and make you more money from each 1000 views. But I must warn you about one very crucial thing which can hurt your channel very badly in the long run, and that is pushing your video unnaturally over 8 minutes just to have access to mid-roll ads. Because viewers are smart. They can sense that unnatural or insincere feeling that you are just trying to extend your video so you can place ads in the middle of your video. I've seen channel adding 3-minute music into a black screen to their 5-minute video to make it longer than 8 minutes so that they can play mid-roll ads. That is so bad. Just please don't do it. Now, number 4 and 5. Of course, if you already have a monetized YouTube channel and you're happy with your channel, you're not going to just change your niche because the CPM of your niche is a little bit low. But the next 2 tips that I'm going to show you can increase your YouTube AdSense revenue even for your existing videos, and it doesn't care about your niche. And for more lesser known and in-depth YouTube tips, you know what to do. Number 4 is placing ads manually to your videos that are longer than 8 minutes. Here's the thing, you can place hundreds of mid-roll ads to your videos, but YouTube does actually have a metric that is called ad tolerance for each viewer. So even if you manually place 20 ads to your video, this doesn't mean YouTube will show every single one of them. They will use that metric to decide how many ads will be played during the video for that specific viewer. However, manually placed ads has a higher chance to get shown by YouTube to the viewer. So make sure to spend a few minutes and place your ads manually into your videos that are longer than 8 minutes. And also, as I've just explained, it doesn't matter how frequently you place those ads because YouTube won't show every single one of them to your viewer. But here's the tip number 5. There is a little to no method that increases the likelihood of the ads you added manually are shown to the viewer by YouTube even more. It was this exact moment actually. Silent moments in your videos are the best moments to manually place an ad, because YouTube pays attention to audience satisfaction and they most likely won't show an ad to a viewer in the middle of an action. That is why placing ads to either silent moments or if you use chapters at the start of each chapter, I had massive success with this method and I highly recommend you to do the same to double or even triple your YouTube income even from your existing videos. Now, to be able to apply all these features and tips I just gave you to increase your YouTube revenue, AdSense revenue, of course, your channel has to be monetized in the first place. But don't worry, I have the perfect video for you right here where I explain how I monetized my small gaming channel and started making YouTube revenue just in 21 days. Make sure to tap on it and I see you there.